Welcome to Pattaya Health City, Thailand. We're enjoying walking through this club, Thailand, Pattaya. Wonderful country, beautiful lady, and beautiful, sexy country in the world, Thailand. As you can see, how beautiful, how nice city in Thailand it is. Unbelievable. This is Walking Street, Pattaya in Thailand. Look at that, how beautiful. Amazing city in Thailand, in Pattaya. Look at the background and unbelievable Thailand, Pattaya. See lots of ladies here standing. The Nightclub. This is Jalwa. I don't know what the fuck it is, Jalwa or something. Indian club. If you are Gandu, come here. Wonderful Gandu place to hang out, people. Nice place to have a drink and have a chat. Wallahi azim, wallahi khair. This is a big place. Rather than another club is nice club, boss club. Hopefully the Indian owner. Indian are dominate in this Pattaya city nowadays. Okay? Nowadays Indian are extremely dominate all the business in Pattaya. So be mindful. If you are Indian, Deshi, any kind of type of people, Bengali, Sri Lanka, Pakistani, all Deshi guys come here. This place for you, wonderful city, wonderful vibe, wonderful city, wonderful vibe in Pattaya, in Thailand. As you see, bro, you can buy so many shit in Thailand. A smoky garden, you see. For you, smoky garden. You understand? You go inside, smoke. Look at that, Thailand in Pattaya. Lots of tourists here. They come enjoy wonderful time in Pattaya in Thailand. Wallahi azim. Look at that. Normally it's a walking street. Normally they get busy after 12. Right now it's not really busy. It's not busy right now because it's too early. Normally it's busy. Normally 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. You understand, guys? You see that. And lots of ladyboy here. Ladyboy, if you guys like ladyboy, come here in Pattaya in Thailand. And shopping. Unbelievable. All kinds of hot songs in Thailand, in Pattaya. Wallahi azim, wallahi khair, wallahi intashir, intahabib, Thailand, Pattaya. Guys, if you come in Pattaya, bring lots of condom. Bro, condom very expensive here. So bring lots of condom. If possible, take some, special medicine, make you healthy. You work hard, definitely. Pattaya, if you come, all beautiful and sexy horse. And you see, there you Thailand in Pattaya. You see the McDonald's there. McDonald's. You can get a McDonald's KFC. The supply chain. So don't worry about food in here in Pattaya, in Thailand. They have all kinds of food. I think they stick with the local food. Local food is amazing. Cheaper, with the fresh. Why not? Oh, why not? Russian club. You can see people are having fun. Having fun. Having fun. Unbelievable city, Pattaya city. You see the people? Crazy crowd.
halal food, bro.
Halal. We see halal food in Pattaya. Wallahi, khai. He look like Indian. Why halal food? It's not halal. I don't think so. But before you eat any food in here, make sure it's halal or not. If no halal, most probably don't eat the food. She's selling good food always. She's cute and she's beautiful. You see, as long as always I see smiling Nepali. MashaAllah. Wallahi khair. Wallahi azim. You can go in here. Low langa fanga is for smoking shit, I like them. I love it, darling. Me like so many good food in Thailand. You guys have come in Pattaya. Lots of shit going on here in Thailand. And you can, lots of our ice cream shop, you see. Wallah. Is it cute or not? Is it, right? Assalamu alaikum, brother. My friend, huh? A special food he always give me. I come back. Wallahi. You can buy weed everywhere. Yeah, it's illegal. It's totally fine. You smoke and walk around like me. Talk shit. But the main point is we having fun. We build a community who like traveling. This is the right attitude, okay? And this is raw footage. No ping pong, no shiashi, no picky dicky game in a crocodile barbecue as you see. Wallahi khair, wallahi azim. Very beautiful, nice. This brother doing sawadika, brother. You look nice and barbecue. Wallahi khair, wallahi azim. So many shit going on here. In a smoothie. Kull jalim, kull harami, kull entertainment. We having a good time in Thailand food. I come here only eat some Deshi Indian food.